In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link in Constant Contact. Adding a link to your email can significantly enhance the interactivity and value of your content by directing your audience to additional resources, websites, or documents. Let's walk through this process step by step and ensure you're equipped to add links seamlessly to your emails. Imagine you've crafted a compelling email, and now you want to drive your readers to a specific web page or resource. The first thing you'll need to do is open Constant Contact's email editor. Here, you can choose the text or image you wish to link. For the purposes of our example, let's insert a link into a Google icon within your email. Once you're in the editor and you've found your Google icon, you'll need to click on the block that contains this icon. This is where you'll start the linking process. Notice above your selected block, there's a toolbar with several options. You'll want to find and click on the link icon in this toolbar. It often looks like a chain link, symbolizing connectivity. After clicking the link icon, you'll be presented with a selection menu. In this instance, because we're focusing on directing readers to a web page, you should choose the option labeled Page. This is specifically designed for when you want to direct your email recipients to an external web page, like a blog post or a Google search result. At this point, a new prompt, the link box, will appear. This is your space to either type or paste the URL of your desired web page. When adding this link, make sure it's correct and working. You might want to double-check it by pasting it into a browser first. A broken link can lead to a poor user experience, and you definitely want to avoid that. Once you've confirmed the URL and placed it within the link box, go ahead and click Insert. Clicking Insert finalizes the linking process, effectively embedding the hyperlink into your selected text or image. This simple action transforms a static image into a dynamic element of your email, encouraging your readers to click through and explore further. To make sure everything is working properly, consider using the preview function. This allows you to send a test email to yourself to verify that the links are functional and direct your audience exactly where you want them to go. And there you have it. That's how you add a link into Constant Contact. With these steps, you can ensure your emails are as engaging and interactive as possible, spurring recipients to take actions beyond just reading the email. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Happy emailing!